Good afternoon, morning, evening, wherever you're at. This is Marbling for Fun, and I'm Craig Jabray presenting my marbling kit. We're going to be discussing all sorts of issues and wonderful ideas that you can do with these paints. We have a kit that is the 5 colors. We have 3 primaries in black and white, and we're going to just explain a couple of things, basics about the kit. Each kit comes with instructions. Now basically, if you go through a circle, you're going to get a little heart. If you go to the center of a circle, you're going to get a little floral design. If you spiral, you'll get spirals. Very simple to do. You can zigzag through your paint. This is now completely stained. Okay, so you don't need to rub it like I'm doing it, just to show you that it is dry. If you want to dry it quicker, you use kitchen towel, and that would take off the excess water. The paints remain.